You're watching Channel 1 and welcome to Romulo's Small Kitchen. Grow, cook, and discover with us. Good evening. I'm with my big sister here. She's from Biscaya and we're cooking instant Dinengdeng Ilocano. This is so authentic. It will be cooked with sitaw and saluyot. You just heard that. Otong and saluyot. I'm Grace Vanderplas and I'm from Eindhoven, although originally from Biscaya, and this is my little brother. We'll be cooking this delicious Ilocano dish. This is therapy for homesickness. We Ilocanos always look for this Dinengdeng dish, but it's winter. It's very cold. Look what she's wearing. That's why we cannot find any fresh vegetables. But the solution is to use frozen vegetables. It's really winter. Nothing grows. We will show you how to cook Dinengdeng from frozen vegetable instant. We'll start. Let's make it quick. My big sister will use preheated or pre-boiled water. This will be an instant Dinengdeng. More water, but don't make it watery. Just half liter, the entire volume. This is really quick. The only ingredients are the bagoong or the anchovy sauce, which I brought from the Philippines, onions, but the onion is optional. My mother did not use that, but we're adding it. This is something we've discovered. We will show you how much anchovy sauce will be used. There'll just be 3 of us, so approximately for 1 liter total volume, you will be needing 4 tablespoonfuls of anchovy sauce. Because if you're too generous with anchovy sauce, you'll get this itchy mouth, and we don't like that. The ingredients are being shown on screen, and we'll be pasting the ingredients as well in the comment box, but you can adjust the amount according to your taste. Al gusto. Yeah. I'm economizing this anchovy sauce, this bagoong, because it's difficult to source this here in Holland. I have to fly this in with KLM. At the background, the water is boiling. When water boils, add the vegetables. I'll get the vegetables from the freezer. That's defrozen string beans. Don't defroze it, or don't defreeze it, and put it directly, without thawing it, including the ice crystals. Last year, I bought this saluyot seeds from the US, but didn't grow here in Holland. Fortunately, I discovered that there are frozen saluyot products here in Europe. They are available in the Mediterranean and Middle Eastern stores. This came from Egypt. When that boils, we'll add the saluyot because string beans cooks longer. We will show you the rest of the vegetables that we have frozen, harvested from last summer. These are what we have harvested last year. We will show you. Everything can be frozen from the garden. What's this? This is, I think, ampalaya leaves parya for our mungo guisado later. Mungo leaves. These are sili leaves for our tinola, for our chicken dish, chicken soup. Another ampalaya leaves, ampalaya. These are squash blossoms for the future dinengdeng. That's another paria leaves, ampalaya leaves, and that's another bag of string beans. That is, I think, pichay. That's another string beans. Sweet peas. Not sweet peas, it's peas. Another bag of ampalaya, fruit. Beans, frozen beans. And what else do we have? And kangkong leaves also. That reminds me to grow kangkong this year. And I just realized we forgot to add the sahog or the sagpao. That we need this to add flavor. Those are free-fried bangus or milkfish. So we'll be adding two. Adding now. And these are the marinated or butterfly milkfish, marinated in vinegar, salt and pepper. See, everything can be defrozen, be it with fish, meat, or even vegetables. So when vegetables are abundant and are marked down in the market, buy in abundance and freeze it. Yeah, because it's not good to be throwing food. It's difficult to grow food. Freeze. Don't just put them in the fridge. Freeze. This is what we're cooking. We've added already the milkfish. Again, this two pieces of bangus here were defrozen. I brought them from Pangasinan last December, and it's now February. And when that boils, we'll be adding this saluyot. Look, it's an ice block. Once the water boils, we'll add the saluyot. And now we're cooking water. Do you have bouillon? No. I'm not using chicken cubes, man. The bangus and the bagoong or the anchovy sauce are sufficient. And look, we just add the frozen saluyot without thawing. Yeah. Careful with your hands, man, or your fingers. Look, just thaw directly. Put the frozen vegetable there, and just let the boiling water thaw it and cook it. This saluyot comes from, or this is from Egypt, and they call it Egyptian spinach, or in America it's called shoot or molokia, a scientific name. That's Dinengdeng. Yes, don't forget, if you like what we prepared, please support us. Don't forget to subscribe and click the bell icon so that you will be notified for every new release. This is Channel 1. Until next time, Dios te ampare.